Alright, I can't figure out where this click is coming from on this front suspension. Someone help me out. Whenever I go over bumps, it's making this sound.